Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Just bought something off Amazon and I think you might be interested in. You might know that I'm into flashing lights, disco lights, that sort of thing in my shed. Let me show you. So like I say, I'm into LED lights, like disco lights. And I've bought this, which is the neon light effect LED light strip, the RGB stuff. I had a quick look at it earlier just to see what it was all about. I had a quick play on it, but nothing more than that really. As you can see from here, you get like a template for the alphabet by the looks of it. Every letter in there, so X. Is that X? What's that? Is that meant to be an X? Yeah, because it has to double back on itself. So you can make letters with it, make wording, whatever. There we go, look, woo. And it actually lights up out of one side there. So if you can see on there, probably about 10 mil that way, and then probably about 5 mil just under on that side. So the good thing about it is you can flex it to whatever shape you want, and you actually get some attachments to fix it to the wall and some self-adhesive pads as well. So I've already plugged it into the main module because it comes with a remote with all the controls on there. I've used these before, not like this, but you know, the standard LED lights in a strip. But the good thing about this is because it's opaque, if you like, it blends into one, so it looks like the neon tubes you get, you know, the gas filled stuff, the glass tube stuff. Well, this gives it a similar sort of effect. So there's the main module that comes with it, plugs into a 240 volt plug and takes it down to this clip-on adapter here. I'm sure I clip that on, yeah, there we go. So clips into there like that, and then it's capped up at the end. It's 2 meters long, the LED itself, or the strip light. We'll go through that in a minute. The remote comes with a pack of clips. So by the looks of it, I haven't read the instructions yet, so I've got no idea, but I'm pretty sure that you just screw that into whatever. So if you put it on a wooden background, put 2 screws in there, fix it in place, and then you can fix that into there like that. Holds it in position, and it actually comes with some pads as well. I think these are double-sided pads, so yeah, you can stick one on the back of there if you don't want to screw it in. So that's that. You get a bag of those. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I'll put it on the screen now. Let's not mess around too much, let's just plug it in. I had a quick look at this earlier. It's fantastic. That's why I had to show you. Plug it in. Ooh, it's upside down, but already you can see what's going on. Oh, look at that. Always the colours. Let me wipe this lens. Still bad. Right, let me get a better cloth. Right, get some alcohol on it. That looks better. Bit of tissue with some alcohol. That's the stuff I use if you're interested for cleaning stuff down. Look at that. Oh, the screen is still not really showing it. I'll turn the lights off in a minute. But yeah, so that's how it comes one setting. So you can go through the modes. So let's go up one. Another mode. Ooh, look at that. This camera really isn't bringing out how good it looks. See these little dots you can see on screen with the LEDs? Like, it doesn't look like that in the flesh. So at the minute it's green, the red. Let's go through the settings. Ooh, look at that one. Fancy. So that's a nice one. That's a cool one there. So we can shape it to wherever we want. So if this was screwed into the wall, for example, let's get another one. Let's get a few of these out because they're actually separate. So it comes with the base and this little forked clip. Pop that into there. And let's say it was fixed to there. So we can get shapes like that, or do a circle, or a right angle, whatever. So the imagination is the only thing holding us back on this. So I've got lots of ideas what I can do with this, as you can imagine. One thing I'm actually using it for is a birthday party that's coming up. I'll show you the results of that when I do it. You can get them in any length as well. In fact, let's turn the lights off and get a better look. This camera really isn't doing it justice. Well, lights off. How does that look? Oh, let's sort this shed out. There's stuff everywhere. Oh, that looks a bit better. So that's red at the moment with, well, just red. Yeah, looks like red and yellow, but it's red. So, ooh, bright green, blue, multicoloured. It's doing like a spiral. So, and let's see. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try a different setting on the phone so you can see it better. I'll be back. Right, so I've just zoomed out. I think that makes it a little bit more clearer. But yeah, look at that, really flexible. So you can see there, the light only comes out from one side. But I'm sure if you had it against a wall or something, look at that, reflecting against the worktop there. Yeah, white wall, I'm sure that'll look amazing. See that bit of wood at the back there? In fact, let's get a bit of white. Let's use the box. Well, that box is a bit shiny. But I suppose if you had it near something shiny as well, look how much it reflects. Ooh, bright colours. So let's try another setting. Oh, that's nice. And you've got to take my word for it, it does look so much better in the flesh. Oh, that's cool. So I'll show you this controller in a minute. I just want to go through all the combinations. Oh, that's a nice one. Wow, look how bright that is. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. Endless possibilities. But you can do your name, or you can do a number or a logo or something, I suppose. But let me show you the control because there's some other settings. So let me just turn the lights back on. So what we've got on here, on-off button, auto. What does auto do? I think it just goes through all the different combinations. You can see on here, quick, slow, brightness. It's on full maximum brightness. If we turn it down, you get a better idea of the colours then. Let's do it about there. Leave it for that for a moment. So, red. That's not red. Green is green. Blue. That's red. So they're the wrong way around. Never mind. Yellow. That's blue. Blue is green. And violet is violet. Ultraviolet. And W, what does that W do? Oh, white. And then I've got these combinations here as well. So what does that do? Not much. Oh, that's a nice one. See that? And then 3. Ooh, nice. Like a frosty snow one. Snowflake. Make it look icy. So that's a remote. I know on this as well, you can set it to your phone as well on an app, so you can control it by your phone, which I think is good. So there we go. I thought I'd show you. Oh, that looks better, that does, in this frame. There we go. You can sort of see it a bit more clearly there. See it a bit more clearer. So yeah, I thought I'd show you. I thought you might find it interesting in case you want to buy some and make a neon sign or a lettering or a picture or light up a wall or a white wall or hide it away somewhere. Quite impressed with that. Anyway, I'll show you in another video what I do with it. Take care. Cheers.